Chef salad recipe and calories. Chef salad ingredients. Ingredients quantity. Mixed salad greens 4 cups, chopped. Roasted turkey or chicken 1 cup, cubed or sliced. Ham 1 cup, cubed or sliced. Hard-boiled eggs 4, sliced or chopped. Cheddar cheese 1 cup, cubed or shredded. Cherry tomatoes 1 cup, halved. Cucumber 1 medium, sliced. Red onion 1/4 cup, thinly sliced. Black olives 1/4 cup, sliced. Dijon mustard dressing 1/2 cup. Salt and black pepper to taste. Instructions. Preparing the salad ingredients. 1. Wash and thoroughly dry the mixed salad greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and radishes. 2. Add the cubed ham, cubed roasted turkey breast, halved cherry tomatoes, sliced cucumber, sliced radishes, sliced black olives, hard-boiled egg slices, and shredded cheddar cheese to the salad bowl. Making the dressing. 1. In a small bowl, whisk together the extra virgin olive oil, red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, minced garlic, honey or maple syrup, if desired, salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Dressing the salad. 1. Using salad tongs or clean hands, gently toss the salad to ensure that all the ingredients are coated with the dressing. Serving. 1. Divide the chef salad among individual plates or serve it in a large salad bowl. 2. Serve immediately and enjoy the flavorful combination of ingredients in this classic chef salad. Conclusion. A chef salad is a satisfying and flavorful dish that combines fresh ingredients and a tangy dressing. It's a versatile salad that can be customized with your favorite meats, cheeses, and vegetables. This classic recipe provides a delicious combination of flavors and textures, making it a perfect choice for a light and nutritious meal. So, gather the ingredients, prepare the dressing, and enjoy the delightful taste of this homemade chef salad. Chef salad calories. The calorie content of a chef salad can vary depending on the specific ingredients used and the portion size. However, I can provide you with a general estimation of the calories in a chef salad with the ingredients listed in the recipe above. Here is an approximate breakdown of the calorie content for a chef salad serving. 1. Mixed salad greens, 4 cups, approximately 20 to 30 calories. 2. Cooked ham, 1 cup, cubed, approximately 150 to 200 calories. 3. Roasted turkey breast, 1 cup, cubed, approximately 150 to 200 calories. 4. Cherry tomatoes, 1 cup, halved, approximately 25 to 30 calories. 5. Cucumber, 1, sliced, approximately 15 to 20 calories. 6. Radishes, 1/2 cup, sliced, approximately 10 to 20 calories. 7. Black olives, 1/2 cup, sliced, approximately 70 to 80 calories. 8. Hard-boiled eggs, 4, sliced, approximately 280–320 calories. 9. Shredded cheddar cheese, 1/2 cup, approximately 200–250 calories. For the dressing, the calorie content can vary based on the quantities used and the specific brand or recipe. However, a typical dressing serving, 2 tablespoons, can range from 60 to 100 calories. Please note that these are general estimates and the actual calorie content may differ based on the specific ingredients and brands used. If you are concerned about the calorie content of your chef salad, it is recommended to check the nutrition labels of the ingredients you use or use a reliable online nutrition calculator to get a more accurate estimate. You can adjust the quantities based on your preference and the number of servings you're making. The dressing is typically a Dijon mustard dressing, but you can use any dressing of your choice. Add salt and black pepper to taste. Enjoy your delicious chef salad.